Central Grayson County in north central Texas until 4:45 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Dorchester, or near Sherman, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Sherman and Gold around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Willow and South Maid. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service